When searching for the best emergency roofers in Memphis, avoid common pitfalls. First, always check for proper licensing and insurance. Get at least 3 quotes to compare prices and services. Don't choose based solely on price. Consider experience and reputation. Lastly, always get a written contract. Here are some frequently asked questions about Memphis Best Emergency Roofers. How quickly can they respond? They strive to respond within 24 hours. Do they offer emergency tarping services? Yes, to prevent further damage. Are their roofers licensed and insured? Absolutely. They specialize in leaks, storm damage, and more, offering free estimates and warranties on their work. For over 10 years, Memphis Best Emergency Roofers have prioritized customer satisfaction and quality work. If you suspect an emergency, like leaks or missing shingles, contact them at 901-295-3487 or visit www.memphisroofingpro.com. They offer free roof inspection estimates and are ready to assist with all your roofing needs.